Today we're gonna be diving into the world of ChatGPT. OpenAI's advanced language model is changing the way we interact with technology. We'll explore its latest features, including the reason and search. ChatGPT is designed to understand and generate human-like text, enabling natural conversations and assisting with a variety of tasks. Let's type in ChatGPT. Link is in the description. Let's open our link. So there is GPT when you're not logged in, but it's too limited. So we also have the way we can log in. We can either sign up. If you don't have an account, you sign up. If you have an account, you log in. So signing up. We can use an email address, or we can log in with our Google account directly. So right now I'm logged in. Let's start with the home screen. This is a pencil icon. Enables us to create a new chat. For instance, let me ask ChatGPT, hi. This is the response. But in case I want to create a fresh chat, I'll just come right here, the pencil icon, new chat. It will start from scratch. Let's click the arrow right here. And right here we have the ChatGPT Plus. You can upgrade. Let's see, when I click, we have the free plan. This is what the free plan offers. And we have the Plus. This is what it offers. And we have the Pro. This is what it offers. These are the personal subscriptions. But now if you're considering a business, we'll tap business and I sign up as a team. So this is what you get. We have temporary chats. We can chat with ChatGPT without storing our chats in the history. So it's like disappearing messages. You people know about the disappearing messages, where you can chat with someone and the messages are just, it's like a secret chat. Let's click the sidebar. We have ChatGPT itself. So the write for me feature can be used to, for instance, summarize 10 words in a blog. So it describes filmmaking without limits. Then the personalized storytelling. Then the revolutionizing of education. Looking at marketing and branding on autopilot. The list goes on and on and on. You can pause the video and follow out and read through. So let's go back to our sidebar. Then we have Dalle. Let's click on Dalle. So here is where you can prompt and I generate images. Let's try one prompt. If you're in art, then these responses will work for you. Does wearing an activity tracker improve health outcomes? So scispace wants to talk to scispace.com. So do we want to confirm? So it's asking us permission to access the scispace.com site. Then we'll obviously confirm. This is our question. Wearing an activity tracker has been shown to positively influence health outcomes. Right, let's look. So in our table we have the number, the source, and the key insight. It didn't just reply us, but again it's suggesting the questions that users usually ask. Alright, let's try to explore other GPTs. I'll tap right there and we explore other GPTs. So these are the other GPTs. We have the featured, we have video AI, we have AI PDF drive, we have website generator. So these are the trending ones: image generator, logo creator, image generator pro. These custom GPTs are by the GPT team. where we have Dalle, we have data analysis, we have creative writing coach, we have all these. So these custom GPTs are for writing. Actually, these work mostly for the people that have subscribed already. These are the ones for productivity. These are for research and analysis. These are for education. These are for lifestyle. These are for programming. That is the list. You can select the category that you're willing. So this is the history, our conversations. If I want to return to a particular conversation, I'll come and search right here. I search in the chats so that I find the conversation that maybe I had some time back. So let's try to create a custom GPT. For sure, creating a custom GPT, you need to subscribe to the plus. Under our prompt, there is this button, the share button. So when I tap on the share button, we can create a link and share the link. We're gonna try the voice mode. So when I tap on voice mode, since I don't have a microphone, it won't be able to pick up my voice. So let's go to this profile icon. So let's go back, customize GPT, or what should GPT call me? You insert your name. What do I do? So here it's more of describing myself. In case I'm maybe inserting a prompt, I don't have to over repeat myself since ChatGPT would know me. So in this section, we'll insert the interests, the values, and the preferences. Here is the advanced mode. Then when we're done, we'll just click save. Since I've not inserted anything, now we go to settings. Let's start with the general. This is the theme. We either select the dark theme or light. If you always want to show code when we're using data analyst, we just enable. If you want to delete all the charts, we just tap right. Archive all the charts, we tap right here. And if I want to log out, I'll just click right there. Heading over to the personalization, we have the memory. We can disable memory or enable the memory. So my memory is full since the free version has a limit. So we also have the speech. We can select the voices that we want. Feel free to pause the video and select the voice that you feel like using. So these are the data controls. We have shared links, we have export data, we can export data, we can delete our account right there. This is the builder profile. So this builder profile helps us to connect with users of my GPTs. And now let's click on the connected apps. We have Google Drive by default. We can connect our Microsoft OneDrive. Then lastly, we're gonna be looking at these icons, and using these icons require us using some prompts. We're gonna start with the search button. After enabling our search button, we'll see the trends right here. But the search button helps us to access the web so that we get the up-to-date information. So let's try these prompts. So we're gonna use ChatGPT Solve to get the prompts that we can apply to our search. So these are the responses, and one thing that I like about ChatGPT is that it can split in the responses, so I select basing on the prompt that worked for you best. But for now, let's go with this prompt right here. So we're gonna copy this prompt and let's create a new chat, and let's activate our web, searching from web. Then let's paste it. What are the latest AI advancements announced this week? As of Tuesday, March 2025, which is correct. So this is real-time information. Instead of searching from Google, you can search from ChatGPT without leaving the app. Now heading over to the reasoning. So we have the logical reasoning right here. These are the prompts. We also have deductive reasoning. Here are the prompts. All these kinds of reasoning. Let's try out with the first one, logical reasoning. Let's copy and create a new chart. Let's enable reasoning right here. Then let's paste. No, we cannot conclude that all cats are black. Here is why. Let's first consider this. All cats are mammals. This means that every cat belongs to a group of mammals. Some mammals are black. This tells us that at least one mammal is black. But it doesn't mean that every mammal or every subset of a mammal like cats is black. Wow. Let's try the analogical reasoning. Let me select the prompt right here and copy and create a new chart and paste and enter. So the answer is sock. Just as glove covers a hand, a sock covers a foot. You can try these prompts. Feel free to pause this video and try all these prompts. Let's tap the plus icon. We can add documents from our Google Drive, or we can upload documents from our computer. We can upload either phone. Let's try this phone. Let me ask ChatGPT to describe this image. This image shows a hand holding a silver phone displaying the back of the device. So this is the power of AI, from drafting emails to answering complex questions. ChatGPT is here to help. In summary, ChatGPT offers users with versatile tools for various applications. Let me know in the comments what you think about ChatGPT features. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, blessings.